Okay, I'm back. I did my eyes really quick. I went in with the Tribe of Juvia, this right here, and I just went in with these two colors right here. And then I, you know, put a brown in the crease. And now I'm going to use, since I already put on the primer, I'm going to go in with this Beauty Blender foundation. I'm going to wear it today and hopefully it works out for me, because it was on sale. I think the Memorial Day sale, it was $28. Yes. Okay, so this right here is meant for the Beauty Blender. You know, that little sponge, but we're not going to use that. We're going to use our fingers. And I'm just going to apply it to this side. And again, this is the Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. It's the Bounce from Beauty Blender. Okay. So now I'm going to take some of this, what is this? The Watermelon Facial Mist. I always spray my brush. And if you have a Trader Joe's near your area, you might want to check that out. Okay. I did that real fast, didn't I? What y'all think? I'll put some under my eyes just to see. Okay, so I applied it to that part of my face and it looks like it matches. So I'm going to do another pump too. I'm going to add it to this side. I like a medium coverage, or shall I say sheer to medium coverage, because I just want like a natural look. So I don't mind my imperfections peeking through. At first I didn't think it matched. It looked like it matched. Looked like it matched, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna go in with a concealer. I'm not gonna use Juvia's. I don't know if I like Juvia's, honey. Juvia's is not the lick. I'm gonna go in. Oh, I forgot. I did have the Pat McGrath. Now this matches my skin tone, but I need something lighter. And I can't wait for Sephora to open up because I'm going to get a lighter one as well. So now I'm just going to take this little sponge and go in. Wow. It's a nice concealer. So this is the Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. And we're going to use this brush. Just going to tap it. The HOOLA Caramel Bronzer. Maybe I use this one. This is from NYX. This is the Sweet Cheeks Matte. I don't really think that this will go, but whatever.
It's 1 o'clock.
I did a real quick, maybe I put some more oil. I love oil. Okay, and this is what I am wearing. My little house shoes. This is what I'm wearing today. Just a casual outfit around the house. I'm not going anywhere. And I found this cute little casual outfit from Walmart. Yes, I did. From Walmart. You know, Walmart is my store. So I am about to get off of here and make me something to eat because I'm hungry. And I'll be back.